into understanding the assessment guidelines, the KTL method. Assignment criteria sheets and task sheets are often written in a coded form that only teachers and geniuses can really understand. Using the KTL method will help clarify any confusion regarding details of assessment you may need to understand to complete. KTL stands for keywords, topic words, and limiting words. Keywords show how you're supposed to present the information. Words such as analyze, compare, argue, and summarize. Topic words give you the subject of your task, the topic you are to investigate. This might sound something like the roles of women in World War II, or endangered Australian animals. These subject descriptions can often overlap with our final category, limiting words. Limiting words describe the boundary set in place by the description itself. For example, one of the above, brief description, or contemporary issue. When going through the assignment guidelines, isolate these three types of words to gain a better understanding. Let's give it a go. Here's an example of a task sheet. At first glance, it's hard to tell exactly what the task entails due to the volume of instructions. Let's try to clarify the task by highlighting the three types of words with three different colours, starting with keywords. Now remember that keywords tell us how to present the information. So we'll start with multimodal. This is going to be a multimodal presentation. We can see that this is going to be an in-depth investigation. And other words we're looking for are investigate, interview, assess, and present. Now let's move on to topic words, the subject of the task, or the topic. So here we can see that this would be religious perspective, ethical issue, and world's religions. Let's move on to limiting words. Oh, and you can choose from any one of these religions here. So those are the topics that you could possibly investigate. Now let's move on to limiting words, the boundaries of the task. Here we have your own hypothesis, N, which means one. A single Australian has to be Australian. And your choice. 1. Current is quite important. Current and past tense. This shows you the boundary of what exactly you're researching, so that you don't just do one, you need to make sure you do both. 2. Adherence. Boundary is that you have to interview 2 people. 1. And present in one of the following ways. Further down we'll see must be done individually, and with some extra explanation on the interviews, 2 members of the religious tradition. It's also important to note how long this presentation is supposed to be, or how many words. Thank you for joining me today. This has been Understanding the Assignment Guidelines, the KTL method. Does this method work for you? Try it out and let me know in the comments below.